Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is Monday, 16th November 2020. Today is a holiday for most financial markets in India and we are going to open tomorrow, Tuesday, 17th November, after a 3-day weekend. We are going to talk about intraday trading for the Nifty, which would be applicable for tomorrow and perhaps for the next few days also. Markets move on trend. A trend takes the price from point 1 to point 2 or sometimes the other way around from point 1 to point 2 here, either down or up. Money is made when the market moves in a trend, whether it's an uptrend or whether it's a downtrend. Just think of a market that doesn't move anywhere. It's here. Here today, here tomorrow, here day after tomorrow. Where is the money in this market? It's very difficult. There is some remote possibility of option selling and that can make money, but even that is very small because option sellers and option buyers know that market is not moving, so option premiums come down dramatically. So let's forget that part. Money is made in the market when it moves from A to B in this form or A to B in this form. So let me ask you, if we have any perception, if we have any idea that the market is moving from A upward, now we don't know whether it will go to B, in the sense that whether B is here or here or here. We don't know that. Nobody can say. But we know that it's moving up. If you know that a market is moving up, what should be our trading strategy? It should be to participate in that up move. I don't think this is rocket science. This is a lot of common sense, and yet when we actually start trading, we find we are unable to enter the market in the direction of the trend. We have so many ghosts in our minds. Is the trend really there? It's obvious. Market is moving up. You can see the prices. It's there, but we can't accept it. Then maybe the trend will stop the day we buy. Maybe. But what if it doesn't stop? It has not stopped for so many days, and if luck doesn't favor us, it will stop. But we still have to go with the trend. And this very simple proposition, this very simple idea of trading with the trend in real life becomes very difficult. Suppose we buy at the top. So what? You buy at the top, somebody will buy at the top. And suppose you don't buy at the top. Suppose you buy in the middle, then you will take so much more gains. Now, how can you know what the markets will do in the future? No one can say that. But we know that the market is moving up and that's a trend. What should we do in a trend? We should participate in it. We can manage our risk. That's a different issue. See, we know what we want to do. We want to buy in an uptrend. Now, management of risk is if the market we think has gone up too fast, maybe we will reduce our volume. Maybe we will use call options instead of futures. Maybe we'll simply invest in the cash index. We can do so many things to manage our risk. Maybe we will keep a tight stop. Many ways of managing our risk exist. But the basic theme, go with the trend, that doesn't change. And yet I can assure you that it's the most difficult task to go with the trend, even though it looks like it's the easiest. But this message is, if you can see a trend, don't question it, go with it. One day it will stop, but you do not know when. So you have to be with the trend till it's continuing. The trend continues to be up. There is no doubt about it. The market is making lifetime new highs, not just new highs now. It's making lifetime new highs consistently, and we are not alone. I have told you earlier that the whole world is following the US markets. Now, don't ask me why it is following the US markets. I don't know. All I know is that it's following them. So, we are very small when we compare to the trillions of dollars that is following the US market. All we have to do is to look at the US market. It's going up. Look at the Indian market. It is following the US market. So, what do? We follow the Indian market, which is essentially to participate in the uptrend. Now, it's not easy, but you have to do it. Wait for an intraday consolidation to buy, wait for a 15-minute breakout on the upside to buy, wait for a sharp correction which stops and buy, keep a tight stop, manage your risk, manage your volume. These are tactics, But the basic principle of going with the uptrend is valid, is intact. The market is in a strong uptrend, participate in it. That's the basic theme. Now, how you do it is something you have to determine. That's a different issue. So, for tomorrow again, the basic idea remains participate in the uptrend. I don't think we should even think of going short anywhere. Markets will come down, we know that. But we are not going to be the first people to go short. Far from it. Just stay on the long side till we have significant and sufficient proof that it's turning down. Till then, be a buyer.